Okay, signal detection. This is another one of our visual principles that we're going to discuss. First question, which square is lighter? If you chose the one on the right, you are correct. If you look at the RGB values below, these are usually binned into 254 bins. Here they're all equal. That's a gray color. Because the numbers are higher, it means we've pushed a little more of the red band, the green band, and the blue band into the color, which makes it a little bit lighter on the screen. Okay, which one of these is lighter? So here the last one, you can see we were at 128 for RGB and bumped it up to 144. It's quite a difference. Here the difference is only between 134 and 138. It's much closer, and I wonder if you were able to detect it. So I just want to introduce you to this concept called the just noticeable difference, or the JND. This is something that's used in marketing all the time. It's the amount something must be changed in order for a difference to be noticeable 50% of the time. Or in marketing, it's the amount you can change something without it being noticed, like size, quality, softness, absorbency. Yeah, this gets pulled on us all the time. Take the example, like I ask you to hold two objects of different weights. The just noticeable difference would be the minimum weight difference between the two that you could sense half the time. Yeah, so this is important to know, especially when we're trying to introduce colors or multiple shades of colors. If you've got categorical data and you've got 10 categories, and you're breaking up a color ramp into 10 groups, it's very possible that there is not a noticeable difference between some of your categories. It's also important to know that when most people see a continuous color ramp like this, they are actually perceiving discrete differences between them, because those are the discernible or noticeable differences between the colors in the color ramp. Another thing I'd like you to know is that our ability to discriminate between two colors, two shades, is affected by the size. So this also includes the viewing distance, the medium that you're working in, like if you're on a screen versus if it's printed, and pixel size. And keep in mind that even though two colors or shades might appear different on your monitor, you don't know if the difference is going to be visible on your audience's display. So I think you have to err on the side of making sure things are discernible and that it's very easy to discriminate between two things. Err on the side of caution there. So this is a quick one talking about change detection or signal detection, building on some of the other perception principles that we've been talking about.